Blogging mistake number 6. Are you counting on AdSense to be your number one way to make money online? AdSense can still be a nice little money maker if it's used to supplement the money you make from other sources like selling your own products or affiliate products. But the days of earning a cushy living off AdSense alone are all but over. Is it possible? Probably. Is it likely? Not a chance. Remember this, the reason people advertise via AdWords, thus creating the ads that pay you through AdSense, is because they are making money selling their products. Why would you settle for a few cents when you can make the big bucks like they are? Even if you don't have your own products, you can promote other people's products with affiliate links and make a heck of a lot more money than counting on a few cents here and there from AdSense. If anything, just use AdSense as a sideline income. Do not count on AdSense for your primary income source. We hope you enjoyed this video. The next video we will talk about blogging mistake number 7. But, before you go and watch the next video, click the link below this video, so you can download your free guide and niche website now. Have yourself a great day.